Pre-PhD coursework 2024 Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. My seminar topic is Archaeology of Chandrapur district of Maharashtra. Research student name is Shrikant Venkatesh Shinde. Roll number is 40. Research guide is Dr. A.B. Mule, SMT College, Murung, Taluka, Umarga, District, Dharashiv. In my seminar topic, content are included as a introduction, previous study, objectives, methodology, limitations, and scope and reference. The first part is introduction is as the Chandrapur district is located in the central India, lies in the eastern part of the state of Maharashtra. Geographically, Chandrapur district is surrounded by district Nagpur, Bhandara and Gondia to the north, Yavatmal to the west, Gadchiroli district to the east, and Adilabad district of Telangana to the south toward south. It is also known for its super thermal power station and its vast reserve of coal in Wardha Valley coalfield. Chandrapur also has large reservoir of limestone, which is a raw material for cement manufacturing in the district. There are many Stone Age sites in Chandrapur district. Archaeological finds such as sign of pottery making suggested inhabitation of the Chandrapur area in Neolithic time. The Gonds are one of the largest and oldest tribal groupings in the world, numbering 13 million people spread across the states of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, eastern Maharashtra, Telangana, northern Andhra Pradesh, and western Odisha. They speak Gondi, a language of the South Central Dravidian family, family of language. Previous study. The sustainable water management during Gond dynasty in Chandrapur, Maharashtra, they present a comprehensive view of water management practice adopted by the Gond rule, who ruled from circa 12th to 17th century in the Chandrapur district. M.N. Wahiya studies the aspect of good astronomy, the studies the religions and customs of the good geographical spread of the good genetic and linguistic data on the good. The religion and customs of the Gond. The Gond treat the myth of the Gond and they concluded that the Gond community is clearly an ancient civilization in its own right, dating to a period well before the arrival of Dravidian in the South India. Socio-cultural history of the Gond tribes of Middle India studies by Purity. He observed the social life of Gond, religious life of the Gond, cultural practice of the Gond, and conclude that the interaction led by the urbanization, modernization, Hinduism, etc. after independence has resulted to resulted in a great deal of change in the traditional life of the zone. Bhagat, who is an independent researcher, recently discovered the megalithic site in Chandrapur district. It is the first report in which he highlighted the megalithic monument from the Ghodajhari region. Chandrapur district not having an urban developed region but also having a dense population, therefore so many ancient sites is destroyed for the development. Furthermore, remaining area of the site is heavily disturbed by brick manufacturing activity, since the wide deposit of ancient site in a preferred and suitable material for brick making. Almost all the deposit at the site in disturbed and dug up. Some news also coming from media that Gond dynasty descendants fight for property. Bir Shah Atram, Bir Shah Atram, who is one of the former Gond rulers of Chandrapur, wrote to Chief Minister of Telangana K. Chandrasekhar Rao to initiate measures for the protection of Gond monument in erstwhile Adilabad district. Objective of the seminar. The major objective of present study is study an archaeological record which explain the cultural diversity of Gond legacy. Study the nature, cultural sequence and chronology of the Stone Age site in Chandrapur district. How is change according to time? Why archaeological record need to maintain? Methodology. The present research study will be relying on both primary as well as secondary sources of data collection. Primary data collected from interviews of people ancestral of Gond dynasty and field visits. Secondary data collect from archaeological sites, historical museums, literature research articles, concern book, thesis, magazine, newspaper, libraries and websites and gazetted reports. Limitation and scope. Limitation. The limitations of proposed research plan is the study are is limited, that is Chandrapur district. Scope. The understand Maharashtra's earliest occupants to address the origin of South Asian Stone Age culture, to understand the regional diversity of Gond culture, to understand the geographical, geo-archaeological context of Maharashtra's earliest occupants. The reference used for this research is Ali M. Gond dynasty descendant fight for property times of India. Bansode PD, Kamble RK and Thakre MG. Sustainable water management during Gond dynasty in Chandrapur, Maharashtra. Proceeding of international